So this is going to be the real first tutorial that we do on Python and mathematics. And of course, this is my website address, but at this moment it takes you straight to my YouTube channel where you can find these tutorials plus a whole lot of math tutorials in algebra, calculus, and there's going to be a lot of other courses added. We're going to talk about mathematical functions, which hopefully at this point you're familiar with, and then Python functions. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to talk about, of course, is something that you should probably be familiar with. And I guess if you're not, this is going to be a crash course on that. So this reads f of x is equal to, and I'm going to say x squared plus 2. Alright, so this f is the name of the function, and this is a mathematical function. So if I plug in f of 0 into our function, this is 0 squared plus 2, and it is equal to 2. So we could say then that f of 0 is equal to 2. We could also write this as an ordered pair, 0, comma 2. You could also graph this if we're on the real number line and our domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity, right? This is called a continuous function. It's continuous, there's no breaks or holes or asymptotes in the function. And of course, if you were to graph this, now in Python, we're going to hold off on the graphing for just a little bit. So we have x squared plus 2. So this is a parabola, and it's been shifted up 2 units. Alright, so what I'm going to do in Python is we're going to have an output that looks like this and looks like this, and of course we can plug any number we want in for x. And okay, well, let's just get started. So when I started up Python, the shell comes up, and then you'll probably need to come up here and click File and hit New Window. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is import. We have to import the math module. And we're going to define a function. We're going to call it f of x. So just follow my lead. We're going to say y is equal to math dot, this is for the power. The function is x, and we're going to raise it to the second power, and then plus 3. Okay, I'm going to add a comment out here, and that's with a pound sign. So writing this out mathematically would look like this: x squared plus 3. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to, let's see, what am I going to do? Let's just do return. We're going to return y, and we're going to run this and see what we get. So we want to hit run module. We have to, so when we do that, we have to save that. So this little screen right here saves. Of course, I've already got mine saved. Now I'm going to type in f of 0, and there we go, 3. So 0 squared plus 3 is that. Or we could say f of 10, and prints out on the screen 103.0. Alright. Or how about f of negative 1? And we get 4. So let's look at this. Negative 1 squared plus 3 is 4. Okay, that works out.